welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving to a head-to-head comparison of two flagship killers from OnePlus, the OnePlus 11 and the OnePlus 12R. Both these devices pack a punch, but which one stands out in 2024? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the cameras, a critical aspect for many users. Both the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12R boast an impressive camera array. They share a 50-megapixel main camera with the Sony IMX890 sensor, ensuring top-notch photo quality with optical image stabilization. The ultra-wide camera is also identical, featuring a 48-megapixel Sony IMX581 sensor with a 115-degree field of view. For those who love zooming in, there's a 32-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Selfie enthusiasts will be pleased with the 16-megapixel front camera, which supports electronic image stabilization for clearer shots. Both phones offer a plethora of camera modes, including night, pro, portrait, and even dual view video. So in terms of camera capabilities, they're virtually neck and neck. Next, let's delve into the display. Both devices sport a 6.7-inch AMOLED QHD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth visuals. They are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, ensuring durability. The resolution on both is a crisp 3216x1440 pixels with HDR10, sRGB, and 10-bit color depth support. However, the OnePlus 12R takes it a notch higher with its super bright 1.5K LTP Prox DR display, boasting a peak brightness of 4500 nits. This makes it more readable under direct sunlight. Plus, the Aqua Touch feature allows smooth operation even with wet hands, a small but handy upgrade over the OnePlus 11. Performance-wise, both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, ensuring they are fast and smooth for years to come. The OnePlus 11 offers up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, while the OnePlus 12R not only matches this but also integrates the RAM Vita technology and dual Cryo VC cooling system, which optimizes performance during intensive tasks like gaming. Both phones come with a 128GB UFS 3.1 storage option, ensuring quick access to your data. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 12R edges out slightly. It features a 5500 mAh battery compared to the OnePlus 11's 5000 mAh. Both support 100W Superbook fast charging, but the 12R includes an advanced battery health engine, promising longer battery longevity. Connectivity is also a strong suit for both, with the OnePlus 12R being Wi-Fi 7 ready, ensuring smoother and more stable connections. Enhanced Wisconsin 5 performance, lower gaming latency, and reduced network recovery time make it a future-proof choice. In conclusion, both the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus 12R are stellar devices that cater to different needs. The OnePlus 11 stands strong with its balanced features and reliable performance. However, if you're looking for the latest edge with enhanced display brightness, better battery longevity, and future-ready connectivity, the OnePlus 12R might just be worth the extra investment. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.